Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Login Helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your issue of verification not being received on your Android device. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So if you open the messages section and you're not receiving a verification code from any type of application, go ahead and long press on the messages application on your mobile. Tap on App Info. After that, force stop this application and confirm that you want to force stop by tapping on OK. Once you've done that, head on over to App Permissions and make sure that notifications for messages is enabled. Once you've done that, head on over to your storage section, tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache. Confirm that you want to clear cache by tapping on OK. Now go ahead and check if you received that verification code or not. If you do not, then sometimes it may be in the spam section of your device. So go ahead, tap on the profile icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on Spam and Blocked and make sure that the verification code or the sender of the verification code is not placed in the spam and blocked section. The next thing that might help is to make sure to check if there's any updates available for the Messages application on Google Play Store. Go ahead and visit Play Store and on the search bar of the Play Store, search for Messages. You'll be able to see Messages by Google, tap on it. If you see an update button over here, go ahead and tap on the update button. However, if there's no update button, then it means that your Messages application is up to date, and finally your verification code should be received. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.